SmartView allows you to wirelessly display your Android device's screen on a larger display, like a smart TV. But when it doesn't work, understanding the underlying causes can help you fix the problem. SmartView relies on a Wi Fi connection, requiring both your Android device and TV to be connected to the same wireless network. This network dependency is the foundation of how screen mirroring works. On Android devices, the screencasting process typically involves accessing quick settings and selecting your target display. However, this process can fail at multiple points for various reasons. Device compatibility is one of the most common issues. Different smart TVs and Android devices may not support the same screen mirroring protocols, creating a compatibility puzzle that prevents successful connections. Network interference is another major culprit. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi operate in similar frequency ranges, and when both are active, they can interfere with each other, disrupting the screen mirroring connection. Recent software updates have introduced new problems. Android 15 with One UI 7 on Samsung devices has caused some users to lose SmartView functionality entirely. Additionally, Google Play Services updates have been breaking screen mirroring for many users. Settings and configuration issues are also common culprits. Screen mirroring might be disabled in your device settings, your TV might not be set to the correct input, or power saving modes could be interfering with the connection process. Understanding these root causes is the first step to fixing SmartView problems. Whether it's compatibility issues, network interference, software bugs, or configuration problems, identifying the specific cause will guide you toward the right solution. First, verify that your devices are compatible with SmartView. Check that both your Android device and TV support screen mirroring technology. Ensure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for SmartView to detect and connect to your TV. Restart both your Android device and your TV. This simple step resolves many connectivity issues by refreshing the network connections. Update the operating system and relevant apps on both devices. Outdated software is a common cause of SmartView compatibility issues. Verify that screen mirroring is enabled in your Android settings and that your TV is set to the correct input source for SmartView. Disable power saving mode on your Android device and turn off Bluetooth to eliminate potential interference with the Wi-Fi connection. Access SmartView settings to adjust the screen ratio and other display options. These settings can resolve display compatibility issues. If SmartView still doesn't work, consider these alternative solutions for reliable screen mirroring. Try third-party screen mirroring apps like TVcast, Google Home, or a Power Mirror. These apps often provide better compatibility and additional features. For the most stable connection, use an HDMI adapter. This wired solution eliminates Wi-Fi issues and provides lag-free, high-quality screen mirroring. Remember to allow permissions when prompted on your TV. Many SmartView connection issues are simply due to denied permissions during the initial setup. These troubleshooting steps should resolve most SmartView issues. Start with the basic checks and work through the solutions systematically for the best results.